Well, hi again. Today, Tuesday after Friday. Now, what we saw actually on Friday was that some sort of good profit booking happened in the second half of the day. It was not surprising, and that's what actually I was talking in the show also. That what traders actually were doing were that they were preparing for a profit booking in the second half of the day ahead of the long weekend. They were not writing puts; they were actually going for long puts, and also they actually were writing more calls. And I expect today the PCR is going to go up. Traders will be writing more puts. So if you actually want to deploy a strategy, I think writing puts actually would be a good strategy. And then also, I think call writing is also going to happen. Trading range 9,700 10,000. Now I talked a lot of technical. I will make all the words simple now for you. Bias is up, positive. Markets are likely to inch higher towards 9950. The support is 9700. A lot of bets are being placed that markets are not going to break 9700 in a hurry at present until unless we see sharp sort of sell off. So at present 9700 a good support, 9950 a good resistance, and the positions are being placed like that hard to cross 9950, hard to break 9700. I think that's what I think you should be looking at that. Then the second question comes is how is Bank Nifty looking, because Bank Nifty was the one because of which the markets started falling. So Bank Nifty at present is looking good, but I think 23,800 is where the support is. 24,000 around is where the close was, and now you want the private banks to take Bank Nifty to 24,300. I expect, because Friday was, and as I just said, it was a profit booking day primarily because of long weekend. I think today the private banks should come back. The question will be, will the traders be aggressive because there's a RBI policy? So ideally, you won't like to ride. You won't like to actually ride on banks side of RBI policy unless you're very sure about the rate cut. So perhaps some sort of expectation around that. So it should be interesting to watch banks. But if you wanted to deploy a strategy, auto is the one which is easier. Bajaj Auto, good positive beat on numbers, positive surprise. Then again Tata Motors, positive surprise, domestic numbers, and again you will start getting the JLR numbers also. So I think that stock should be exciting enough. Aisha Motors inline set of numbers, but still a good performance and good long formations also on Friday. And then Maruti below estimate numbers. So just be cautious. Just first look at the Maruti, how the stock is reacting, because again Maruti has launched a lubricant, a new product, which to me I think is very positive because that's a value addition. It's good for the margins. But so I think I would watch Maruti in the first half of the day, how basically the stock behaves. Once I actually digest the auto numbers, then I think it's good to go for, because overall auto is actually looking good. Then again, along with apart from that, I think two stocks, GAIL and Petronet LNG. Now, gas price hike, everybody knew about it. There is no surprise there. So both the stocks, Petronet LNG, GAIL, they saw very strong long formations, and I think that outperformance should be continuing. It's not going to die down very soon. Among the cement pack, mid cap, Sanghi Industries, watch out for that stock. Aegis Chemicals again was looking very good. Good sort of buying happened there. And then a couple of other stocks like some from the different pack here, like we talked about the gas, we talked about the auto pack, and then also you should be watching out some more stocks like metal stock, Nalco. Alumina price has gone up. Nalco should be reacting positively. MOIL from the metal pack, manganese ore prices, they actually are going up. So again, MOIL could react positively. So watch out for these stocks also. Again, perhaps there is some good chance of outperformance there. Where was buying being seen on Friday? Again, pharma buying actually happened in metals, reality, and then also buying happened in energy stocks. So now I think, to me, I think what is more important is because the aviation fuel prices have gone up. Aviation stocks don't look exciting to me. Anyway, they never look exciting to me. Then again, what is more important here is that in terms of markets, Bank Nifty, Tuesday today, the strategy would be to have a positive bias. If you love options, then write puts. Again, if you love futures, then I think long formation is the way to go. And again, if you are a trader or a swing trader, then I think 9950 is the level where you should be actually really very cautious about. So perhaps once you close about 9950, the entire bias changes and you again basically reverse the entire downtrend. Are we actually in a sell on rally mode? I don't think so. A lot of buzz on the street is it's a sell on rally, but I don't think so. I think the market has not given that cue. Market is still in a buy on dip market. 3 to 4% correction in a strong bull market is always buy on dips only. You don't buy on half a percent correction. You actually buy on a 3 to 5% correction. So it's a buy on dips. There was a correction. You actually are buying. Now the question is, what happens? How markets are going to recover from here? Is it like very quick this week, or they are going to consolidate here? So I think with that, I think we're going to in touch on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. I think keep me posted. Any sort of queries if you have. Take care. Have a good day.